spa, beauty, cinema.
So I woke up today with an image of Rihanna's new cover of Allure magazine, and she had, so I wanted to give it a go. So this is called Diamond Bomb, and it looks like this. Beautiful packaging, super cute. She knows what a girl needs, what a girl wants. So I know it's hyper pigmented, but I just wanted to try it on my own, and I always use my fingers. Ooh, it's so pretty. Ooh. Super fun. Nice. It almost looks like your lid is slightly wet. Without it being sticky, you know? I think with this, you can just put layers upon layers if you want to make it really diamondy, really glittery. But I mean, that's pretty shimmery. It has a super light texture, smooth light texture to it that I really love. So you want to kind of see this bone inside like that. You kind of want to dig in there to get that round shape. That looks pretty. Awesome. Wanted to do something more. Oh, actually, I wanted to put it on my lips. This is another freebie Maybelline 650 Nude Embrace. I wanted to do something nude to counteract the eyes. This is something maybe a little bit too light for my skin tone, something I wouldn't really do normally, but let's see. I'm gonna start adding this on top. I think you just want to do the top, and you know, you have extras, do the rest of the lips. So, what do you guys think? I wanted to do one more thing actually, because I always have such muted, like neutral face. I wanted to do something fun, so I got this Sephora purple eyeliner, and I wanted to put this on top of my glitter. And you know, I've been wearing eyeliner since high school, pretty much every day of my life, so I could line my eyes sometimes without even having a mirror. How does that look? Ooh, that's pretty. And what you want to do, like if you want to do a winged eye, just look at the level of your ears and just go towards the ears. If you want to do it really dramatic, that's pretty dramatic. Like, just eye that. And I'll do this side. Is that even? Very dramatic. What do you guys think? And then with this look, I would just really up the mascara. I already have some on, but I'm gonna pile some more on. And you know what? I've never really been into fake eyelashes. They always bother my eyes. And I'm a photographer. The last thing I want is to be annoyed by fake lashes. So I tend to either not wear mascara or just put on the good old mascara. So what do you guys think? Pretty shimmery. I mean, you can put this anywhere. You can put it on as a highlighter too, you know? I know Rihanna loves the highlighter. You know, like so. Super fun. I mean, with this, I could even go more with the blush and have like cute cheeks. And with this, I like to go almost under my eyes just to lift up my face. Like that. It's almost an optical illusion. I mean, it is an optical illusion makeup. So, here we go. This is Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. I wanted to talk today about, so this is the fall and we're going through major transitions. Fall equinox is I guess this weekend coming up. And I think my body has been so exhausted, and I've been really like needing the time to nurture myself and to do extra self-care, rest a lot. Like I just slept all day Saturday, something I don't really do unless I'm sick, but I was starting to kind of feel sick and I just took the day off. This whole weekend pretty much I did nothing. Just ate well, cooked, cleaned, did all the stuff adults are mandated to do, so that I feel good for the week ahead, and which I do. It's Monday night, you know, a very sleepy day of a difficult day of waking up, but all in all, you kind of, at least for me, you kind of have to like crash and then revive, or so my New York lifestyle tells me. Speaking of New York lifestyle, things in the city change really fast. Things are constantly in motion, as they should be, because such is life. But I mean, we're all aware that life is about changes, but sometimes if you don't make the necessary change happens to you. I don't know if people can resonate to that. I certainly can. For example, I've been using the same Canon camera for the last, probably almost 5 years. I have the Canon Mark II, 5D Mark II. Like all my male colleagues have moved on to like Sony or like a Mark IV, but I continue to use a Mark II. And my camera still works, but my lenses keep breaking. Like my good lenses, my 50mm, 24-70, like things I've invested in, you know, almost like $1,000 per lens, and that kept breaking. All within this, you know, this couple months. But my 20-70 broke just before Fashion Week. So I'm thinking, what? Life is trying to tell me something. Life is trying to tell me that, Yuko, maybe it's time for you to upgrade. So that's what I'm working on these days. And hopefully I'm looking into a Sony A7 version 3, Mark 3, which I could shoot photo and video, and my gear would be much smaller too, which is ideal. I think whatever path you're on, when change happens to you, when it's like a smack in the face, respond to it and adjust a little or majorly and just keep on going. Paulo Coehlo wrote, I can't remember the exact wording, so I might butcher it, but he said, the devil is in the details. Meaning that you might make a mistake, you might do the Okay, so I decided I'm gonna put a little bit more color. This one is Maybelline 635 Rock the Coral. Do I want that? Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Okay. There's some color. Okay. I'm gonna add this on. This makes you look like you're wearing lip gloss, but you're not. I find lip gloss fun, but kind of annoying. Because you have to keep applying it and get stuck with your hair and stuff. Ooh, I kind of like that. And you know what? I'm gonna add some more on the lower lash. I think with a fun color, you can even go more dramatic and show off the color. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna have to let it dry. So I will close my eyes and keep talking. So yeah, Paulo Coelho said that the devil is in the details, meaning that we as people have not a whole lot of control over our lives. From natural disasters to the economy, what sort of situation you're born into, everything, a lot is so out of our control. And even day to day, anything could happen, you don't know. But what you do have control over are the little details within the little choices. And if you avoid the negative track, I think it's dry now. Okay, looks good. So if you avoid that, if you choose the light over the dark in every situation, whatever the situation is, and sometimes it doesn't really matter, do you choose pasta or bread, unless you have a chemical buildup where you can't eat a certain thing, it doesn't really matter. But in decisions that do matter, and it's all individual, catered to each individual, those are the little choices that perhaps only you know, only you are aware of, and most likely so. But if you keep swimming in the right direction, in the correct path, you may not have a whole lot of control, but you might be okay. You might even find yourself happy. So I think whenever you're stuck, that's something to save yourself, or to stop yourself from punishing yourself. Yeah. I mean, life keeps moving, you keep swimming, you keep flowing, you keep dancing, and such is life, and such is the beauty of life. So, beauty of life, powered with Rihanna's Fenty Beauty. I mean, she just knows how, this is fantastic. This is so cute. It's like a little compact. It's so pretty. I'm so happy I got this. Thank you, Rihanna. I hope you guys like this. I mean, let me see if I can pile even more on, because in the cover, her eyes were so glittery. But I think this is fun and can go with any kind of look, even like a really sophisticated look, since it is colorless. It's just shimmery. It could just add a little oomph to whatever mood you're in. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.